This is Ian from In 30 Minutes Guides. Today I will show you how to disable scrolling text in a fillable PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro for Mac. And let's get started. And I want to show you first what the problem is. So this is a very simple form that I created, a fillable form in Adobe Acrobat Pro. And you can see that if I paste text in here, in this field, when it hits the end, it starts to make a sound, and then this is the last letter, T. So it basically stops there. This is like a hard stop on the size of this field. However, if you look at the parent one field and I start adding text again, or start typing again, the text just kind of scrolls off to the side. I don't want that to happen because sometimes people think that they can keep on typing and the person who receives the field will know about that text, and they can't. They won't know because it's hidden unless you start clicking on it and looking to the right. And also when you print it, it just won't show up. So we're going to disable the scrolling text on this particular field. This is how to do it. Go to Adobe Acrobat Pro, open up the original version of the form. So this is the original version of the form. You can see it looks blank, but actually if you click on All Tools and then select Prepare a Form, you can see that all of a sudden the form fields that I created earlier are there. And there's a setting within the form that will enable or disable the scrolling text. So this is the one where it's disabled. Let's take a look and see what it looks like. So I just clicked on it, text field properties, click on options, and you can see there's an option here that says scroll line text. It's not checked off. I don't want that. So this is good. But on this one, text 9, I'm going to do the same thing. Look at options, and you can see scroll long text is enabled. All you need to do is just basically click off that, and then when I open it up again, I'm going to save this, close it, and let's open it up again and start typing. This is a test. I'm just typing some more. This is a test. This is a test, and now I'm hitting the edge of it again. I can't add any more text, which is exactly what I wanted. So that's how you disable the scrolling text in Adobe Acrobat Pro. If this video helped, please take a moment to like it, follow me, and I'll see you next time.